in your life, absolutely. But there are some people out there that may have a little too much junk in your junk drawer. You're really organized too, or at least you'd like to be.
I would like to be, yeah. We definitely try to be. Here to help us get it together is professional organizer Laura Souders. Laura, thanks for being here. Where do we start to get things organized?
Okay.
Thank you. I think you start with the junk drawers. They can't be called junk drawers. That's the big problem.
It's a bad name, yeah.
Yeah. That's what they are. No,
Right.
But they don't have to be.
They don't have to be. And some people have more than one junk drawer, and the problem comes in, then you don't know where to find things.
Right. Yeah.
And you don't know where to look for them, and so you end up buying the same things over and over. So,
Oh, that's so true.
Yeah.
That irks me.
Yes.
I like to know what I have in those drawers so I know, no, we have batteries. I don't need yet another
Or
pack.
scissors,
Right.
or
Yeah.
rubber
Tape.
bands.
Yeah, how many
Tape.
pairs of scissors do you
All the
floating?
usual suspects, no
Yeah.
doubt. Okay.
So if you take the drawer first and clean out all of the random pieces that have migrated there, and then put the things that are used together in the drawer. This is a sample drawer I made up called office supply drawer.
Okay.
So you can see it has things that you would need in an office situation. So you know that the tape's going to be in here
Yes.
if you're looking for an office supply thing. Then in this one I made, it's called an emergency or home repairs drawer.
Nice.
So you can see these are all the things, flashlights, batteries, things that you would look for there. So if you're looking for paper clips, for example, you wouldn't look in that drawer.
Right.
So then people know where to find things and where to put them away, and it's easier to
like it.
to find out how much you have, the inventory.
And these little baskets here, you can get
Yes.
those where?
You can get those at office supply stores or Target. And if you don't have them, a great thing to use are these empty Gladware containers or
Sure.
even jewelry boxes.
Yeah, okay.
Jewelry boxes,
Oh, yeah.
that's
a good idea.
stationery boxes, those
That's
kind
a
of
good
things.
idea. It doesn't have
Yeah.
to be something fancy. It can be something you
No,
already have.
we in
Yeah.
fact do that with the batteries, put them in the little plastic Tupperware containers.
That's a really good
Yep.
idea. I
Yeah.
like it.
Keeps
I like
it from rolling all around.
Exactly.
Every time you open and close the drawer.
That's a
I'm a
good
big
thing.
fan of like plastic storage bins too.
Yeah. So the thing with plastic storage bins, you don't want to go too big with them because once you load it all up, it's really heavy to lift. And then you end up putting things in it that don't really belong together.
Yes, and then you'll have the junk box.
Yeah,
instead
yes,
of
the
Right.
junk
drawer.
box.
Yeah.
Right.
So if you put similar items together and then make sure that you label it, because once you put that lid on, you really forget what's inside.
Mm-hmm.
So these clear adhesive pockets are wonderful.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Yeah, and so they just stick right on there, and you just put a note card in there labeling the contents, and if the things should change inside, you just change a note card, put a new one in. It's so
That's
easy.
better than what I do is put like an actual sticky label on, and then you have to peel it off, and then it leaves the residue.
Well, and you're right about them not being too big because I haul these up to the attic and then throw my back out. So this is the perfect size. This is the perfect size.
Yeah, and then you know what's in there. Great
Yeah.
tips. You're going to join us once a month now with organizing tips,
yes.
which is
Excellent.
great.
I love it.
She's going to help us get it together.
My new favorite segment.
Me too. Let's do it together every month.
Okay.
Well, still to come in our next half hour, we're helping the Ronald McDonald House celebrate 35 years. Find out how you can help when we come back. You're watching Good Day PA on ABC 27.